Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's see what Xiaomi has in store with the Redmi Note 6 Pro. So let's unbox it. Peeling off the plastic, opening the box, firstly we have the phone. Let's put that aside and take a look at other contents inside the box. Inside the box we have this leaflet which consists of SIM ejector tool and then some documentation which consists of user guide and warranty information. And they also included a clear case. And the final item in the box are the micro USB cable and power adapter. So here I'm setting up the device during which we will be asked to register our fingerprint, and the fingerprint scanner works well, and then we can also add face data, and face unlock is also pretty quick. We'll have to see how it holds up in different environments, especially dark environments. In terms of physical overview, on the front we have two cameras, earpiece and sensors. To the bottom we have on-screen buttons. To the right we have power and volume buttons, and to the left we have SIM card slot. To the bottom there is speaker and micro USB port. To the top we have infrared noise cancelling microphone and the headphone jack. To the back we have dual lens cameras with flash and the fingerprint scanner. To the bottom there's Mi branding. When it comes to storage, this is the 64GB variant and it has 52GB available out of the box. Next, talking about the camera, I've quickly shot a few camera samples and these are the results. These are shot indoors and shots taken from the rear camera looked great, but then when it comes to selfies, the images seem to be soft to my liking. Of course, these are my initial impressions. We'll have to see how it goes in the long run. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. I'll be making more videos covering the Redmi Note 6 Pro. Let me know if there's anything specific that you want to see. Leave a comment down below and I'll make it happen. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my future videos. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.